Have you ever wondered how some people seem to run their businesses on autopilot while you're still buried in emails, follow-ups, and spreadsheets? The truth is, they've figured something out that most people haven't. They're using AI. Not just to save time, but to completely transform the way they work. It's not a secret anymore, and you don't need to be a tech genius to make it happen. If you've been asking yourself how to automate businesses with AI or how to start an AI business, this is your guide. Here are 10 powerful ways to use AI to automate 99% of your business, and yes, you can start doing these today. 10. Use AI to write emails, blogs, and social media content. Creating content used to take hours. Writing Instagram captions, email newsletters, blog posts, it all adds up. But now AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate all of that in seconds. You just give it a topic or a goal, and the content comes out ready to tweak and publish. If you're wondering how to use AI for marketing or how to make money with AI, this is step 1. You can automate your entire content calendar and even create multiple variations for A/B testing. This is a huge benefit of AI for small businesses because it helps you show up online consistently without burning out or hiring a full marketing team. 9. Build chatbots to handle customer support. Customer service can eat up your time fast. Whether it's refund requests, shipping updates, or general questions, you don't need to reply manually anymore. Tools like ManyChat, Intercom, and Tidio let you create AI-powered chatbots that handle 80 to 90% of the typical conversations on your website or store. These bots can be trained with your FAQs and company info so they give accurate answers 24/7. If you're wondering how to get ahead of 99% of people, it's by not spending your day answering the same questions over and over. Let the bot handle it while you focus on growing your business. 8. Automate lead generation and follow-up. One of the smartest uses of AI is setting up systems to attract leads automatically. Tools like Go High Level, Close.com, and Apollo can help find leads based on industry, job title, or even online behavior. From there, AI can send cold emails, follow-ups, and schedule calls, all without you being involved. If you've been thinking about how to start a lead generation business or how to start an AI automation agency, this is your entry point. AI doesn't just find leads, it can nurture them too. That's something most small businesses still don't take advantage of. 7. Use AI to analyze data and improve decisions. Every business generates data, website traffic, sales numbers, email clicks, but most people ignore it because it's overwhelming. AI makes sense of it for you. Tools like Pecan, Monkeylearn, or Microsoft Copilot can analyze your metrics and give you clear recommendations. Want to know which products are most profitable? Or which social posts drive the most sales? AI tells you instantly. Understanding how to use AI for smarter decisions gives you a real advantage. It helps you stop guessing and start making moves based on real numbers. It's one of the best ways to learn how to get ahead of 99% of people in business. 6. Automate appointment scheduling and admin tasks. No more back-and-forth emails trying to set up a meeting. Tools like Calendly, Clara, and X.AI, AI scheduling assistants, let people book time with you based on your availability. You can also set up automated reminders, rescheduling options, and confirmations. AI can even sort and organize your inbox, flag important messages, and clean up your calendar. This is especially useful if you're in industries like coaching, consulting, or real estate. If you've been wondering how to use ChatGPT in real estate, this is a practical first step. Save time, close faster. 5. Launch AI-powered ads that improve themselves. Running ads used to mean constant testing and tweaking. Now, AI tools like Meta Advantage Plus, Google Performance Max, and AdCreative.ai can do that for you. These platforms use real-time data to shift your budget, test headlines, and optimize performance. Some even create your graphics and copy for you. So if you're thinking of how to price automation or wondering how to start an AI business that scales, this is a major win. You can set your budget, define your goals, and let AI handle the rest. Less guesswork, better results. 4. Automate your financial tracking and invoicing. Accounting doesn't need to be stressful. Tools like QuickBooks with AI plugins, Xero, and FreshBooks now offer automation features that categorize expenses, create financial summaries, and generate invoices on schedule. You can even get alerts for tax deadlines, low cash flow, or unusual spending. This saves you from hiring a full-time accountant early on. If you're running a lean business or just starting out, this kind of AI business automation keeps your books clean and accurate without all the manual entry. 3. Personalize customer experiences automatically. Personalization used to mean typing custom emails or manually recommending products. Now, AI tools like Klaviyo, Segment, and Salesforce Einstein can create custom experiences for each visitor. Based on browsing history, past purchases, or behavior, they show different offers, emails, or website layouts. If you run an e-commerce brand, this is a game changer. Customers feel like your store gets them, and they're more likely to buy. It's one of the best examples of generative AI for small business owners who want to build real connections without doing everything themselves. 2. Use AI to learn new skills faster. If you want to really use AI to its full potential, you need to keep learning. Luckily, AI can help with that too. Tools like YouTube summaries, AI-based course generators, and even ChatGPT itself can break down complex topics for you. Whether you're learning how to use TradingView for beginners, how to use TradingView completely, or just trying to understand automation better, it's all at your fingertips. If you've been asking how to learn about AI, don't overthink it. Use the tools to teach you how to use the tools. It's like having a private tutor 24/7 that never gets tired. 1. Build a fully automated AI business or agency. Now here's the big one. Instead of just using AI tools for your current business, you can build a new business that runs mostly on automation. Think about creating an AI automation agency, offering services like lead generation, chatbot setup, or content creation for other business owners. You can use the exact same tools we've talked about and sell them as services. You don't need a big team. With a couple of AI platforms, a clear offer, and a few clients, you're running a business where the tools do most of the work. This is how people are starting new companies with almost no overhead, no inventory, and no office. It's one of the fastest ways to build freedom. If you're serious about how to start an AI business or how to make money with AI, this is where it gets real. You become the one bringing automation to others and getting paid for it. So there you have it. These 10 steps can take your business from busy and chaotic to smooth and mostly hands-off. Whether you just want to stop writing so many emails or you're ready to launch a fully automated agency, AI gives you the power to do it. You don't have to be a tech genius. You just have to take the first step. If this video helped you see what's possible, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who needs this. And if you want more simple, practical videos on AI, automation, and growing smarter, not harder, then subscribe. We've got way more coming.